With 2 small screwdrivers, pry open the 2 buckles of the headrest. Lift the headrest. Open the back cover of the seat. Remove the 2 leather case buckles under the seat. Take the cover away.
2 to 3 centimeters.
Easy to install card position iron sheet. Take a picture of the saddle leather trim. Unplug the wireless charging module. Lower silver trim. Remove the cup holder cover and unplug the key card module. Remove the cup holder and disconnect the cigarette lighter plug. Take out the small table board main line. Pair cigarette lighter plug. Take out the small table board power cord from the saddle. This hole is threaded under the saddle. Restore the cup holder and insert the cigarette lighter. Install the cover and insert the card key module. Restored silver trim. Restored leather trim and insert upper wireless charging plug. Small table board power cord from seat. The small hole under the guide rail is routed to the seat. Follow the seat harness to the backrest. Seat wireless charging and ambience. The power cords of the lights are put together. The mounting bracket is placed like this. U-shaped mouth facing down. There's a little hook here. Just hook this hardware. Take our clip, put it in this position. Then use this screw to go through. Tighten it and clamp it. Clip the left and right clips well. Just tighten the screws. Plug it in separately. Power cord for wireless charging and ambient light. Plug it in and put the cable in the car. 2 buckles here. It's stuck in this metal position of the original car. There is a metal on either side of the seat. Corresponds here. There is one here. Corresponds here. Then pop the button. When installing this screw, you can use a long pole screwdriver first. Find a positioning hole, set it down, and install the screws next to it. After installing the following 2 screws, install the 2 screws above. Just lock it. After the 4 screws are installed, put this decorative cover on. Outward facing with rounded corners. The right angle is facing the metal side. Just pack the left and right separately. A small table board is installed. Cup holder, wireless charging, mobile phone card slot are available. Wireless charging. The mobile phone card slot can hold the mobile phone vertically. You can put it sideways. Perfect.